Are you looking for an easy warm-up routine? Or maybe you're looking for an easy calm down routine. I've got just the thing for you to start off this awesome month of May. Easy, stretchy, warm-up. Let's go. As with all our warm-ups, we're going to start out slow with a marching routine, however high you can get your legs today. We're going to be doing this for a full minute. So as we get more into the minute, let's see if we can get our legs higher and get our hips even more engaged. This is great for the core. You need those core muscles to pick up your legs. So the higher you pick up your legs, the more you're engaging your hips and working your core. Get your arms going too for a little upper body work. We're almost at our minute mark. And here we go. We're going to bring it down. Do some arm swings. You start out small and get them bigger. We're right now circling to the front. We're going to do this for 30 seconds. Notice I'm switching now. My thumbs are up and now my thumbs are sideways. Slightly different muscles we're working here. Just alternate back and forth. We got our 30 seconds. Now we're going to reverse and swing to the back. Now, if you have less range of motion, you're just going to do your circles in whatever range of motion you have. This is warming up our shoulders, our pecs in the chest, our upper back. We're getting it all. Checking our time here. We're going to go into a side lunge. So we're going to step out, hinge back, bend this knee, keep this knee straight. Do about a 5 count here. Come up slowly, shift to the other side, keeping our back straight. We're stretching out the inside of our legs here and our backs to some degree. And exhale as I go down. Inhale as I come up. And up. We're going to go into a lunge. Give myself enough room here. Front lunge. And we're going to twist away from the lunge leg. Come back. Switch legs. We're going to twist away from the front leg. You can put it all together, speed up the process if you want, or keep it slow. Notice I'm not going all the way to the ground with this lunge. If you want to get deeper and you've got the range of motion, by all means, you can go deeper. One more on this side. And come up. We're going to shake that out. And now we're going to go with a forward bend, but we're going to start out slowly. So inhale up. Deep inhale here, and exhale as you come down. Hinge at the hips. And we're going to stop at the table position, which is right here. Notice I have my feet a little further apart, and that is for stability because I am outside. Safety first. And up. Inhale. Exhale. Come down. Stopping at the table position one more time. One more inhale up. And this time, if you can, we're going to go down into that full forward bend. If you don't have the range of motion, then go ahead and stop at the table position. We're going to do a 10-second hold here, if you can. If not, feel free to come out of this whenever you want. And up. Big inhale up. Exhale down. One more inhale. Inhale up. Interlace your fingers. Press your palms to the sky. A little bit of a back bend if you can. And exhale down. Shake everything out. And there you have either a warm-up or a cool down or a coffee break stretch. So many uses for this little routine. But honestly, if you build it into your day, you're going to find that it will calm you and take stressful situations manageable and give you peace. Try it and let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed this little mini stretch warm-up routine. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and send me comments because I use those comments every time I make something for you. So subscribe to the channel, send me comments, just let me know how you're doing. And see you next time online.